Sup, y'all? What's going on? Well, I've been gone for a little while, and you're probably wondering why. Well, been busy around here. Less projects in the sense of filming stuff for you guys, but more of just working on my own personal life and just trying to advancing my life in general. So like a lot of work in different areas, and I've been working at the wrap shop. If you guys follow me on Instagram, got that stuff doing, or have that stuff going on. So yeah, definitely trying to increase my skills in different areas and bring in the money so I can actually get some quality builds for you guys. But in general, we actually have been going places. So if you look over there, there's a 78 Ford getting jacked up a little bit. If you follow me on Instagram, right there, you'll actually see some pictures of that going on. Same thing, XJ's still here. I have some Toyotas, cars to flip, all the different things. I'm just trying to get everything done. If you guys want to look at the 78 real quick, I'll show you guys. So this fine beast right here, we've got 8 inches in the front, nothing in the back, so we're going for the whole Mexican look. No, psych. No, we've only gotten the front on so far, and we've just been playing around. We figured if it's just gonna sit here doing nothing with no engine in it, or a bad engine in it, we might as well make it look cool. But other than that, you know, we got the 40s rolling on it. And yeah, that's just still kind of a project. I haven't been able to film much just because editing takes forever. But I am definitely trying done for you guys. Yeah, it's a little bit of self-advancement. The channel's probably going a different direction. Before I was filming a whole bunch of fix-it videos. And I'm trying to go away from that just slightly and make it more of a build channel, because I know you guys are more interested in the cars that I'm building versus stuff I randomly fix on them. So yeah, I definitely appreciate you guys' patience on waiting. What is it, 6 months now? Yeah, I've been terrible. Sorry about that, guys. I have been showing you some shorts though, so at least you guys have been slightly entertained. But anyways, that's what I've been up to. I've been just kind of working hard, getting stuff done, getting my life in order. Really appreciate you guys staying along with me. And yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna be probably posting some more stuff, more vlog style. It's gonna be more vlog style, guys. A little longer. If you guys want short videos, you'll get my shorts. If you guys want longer videos, you'll get my longer videos. Yeah, more talk along, bring along kind of stuff. Less editing, more personal. Get to know me more. So yeah, we'll show you the Jeep real quick. Just make sure it's still alive and kind of keep moving on from there. Cause yeah, Sylvester's still here, alive and kicking. He just needs some work done on him, like some steering stuff, just because he's starting to get a little unreliable when the sway bar broke, so I have to fix that. Toyota's there. This Toyota I'm just flipping real quick just to make some more money for the 78. But yeah, different projects, getting it done. Really appreciate you guys. This channel's going in a different direction. I'm going to try and start posting more regularly. And yeah, really appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Love you. See you then. Whoop!